ngatirove tuma pint tipinde mucourt aiwa judge vari hot rasta vakabatwa vachismugla stuff rasta vakatobatwa vari kujamka
gande kuchikurubi
judge vari kudhipisa
gande kuchikurubi
loya rake ramunyudzisa
gande kuchikurubi
judge vari kudhipisa
gande kuchikurubi
loya rake ramunyudzisa.
In this court, everyone is guilty until proven innocent. The law is the law. Good size. Inokwanangwana wese. Everyone is equal before the law. Inotambika.
Right now, we are standing outside the door of the honorable toilet. I mean, outside the honorable judge's toilet within the justice chambers.
For sake! Get away, man. Get away! Stupid.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I thought you said we were free to cover each and every part of this courtroom.
Saka urikufunga kuti corruption yacho uchaiwana muchemba. Papa, stupid award-winning journalist.
Sorry, Your Honor. Don't take this as a witch hunt, please. We are just trying to spotlight the various issues that we see affecting the...
What tissues? There are no free tissues here.
Issues, Your Honor. Issues, not tissues.
Ours is one of the most efficient systems in the world, manji. Kana kudenga hawana koti yakadai. We are very transparent and well-oiled system. As you will soon find out, if you can excuse me, I have some important business to finish.
I thought the system clearly said out of order. This does not sound like a well-oiled anything, does it? And anyway, who still uses toilet yekugweja like Chiborani in 2030?
Ah, damn it!
Yeah, I think I can hear the judge's perfume.
Vakuya. All rise.
So, pakochi panapa inini ndini S inspector, screwdriver, screw ndandi matsanga. Jokes. I'm just a senior constable, but yeah, I'm just good as inspector. Panapa ndanezwe about 5 years ndichishanda panapa, but 5 years zinenge 5 days. Wangu pano nakidza. And sometimes pano zombodyisa. Andireve kudyisa kwekudyisa, but ndirongoti kudyisa. Because bodo rinozobobikwa nemambo yapanapa ka rinonaka.
Welcome, court with the award-winning, veteran, gallant, and patriotic Judge Matinyanya.
Ndini wacho Judge Matinyanya. Honorable Judge Matinyanya. Manje ndini Varikupisa. Ndaka winner award ku the inaugural annual Judges Awards last year, and last year yacho futi ndaka winner award ku inaugural annual Judges Award. Last year yacho futi ndaka winner award ku annual ku inaugural annual Judges Award. Yeah. I'm so good at chinwichi zvekuti ndakachibata kuti dzwi. Where do I see myself 2 years from now? I see myself in a blonde Brazilian wig and a red gown. Nguo tsuku, Supreme Court pocho. Tawirirana kuti ndiri kunyora the intro to the skit, anditi?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. This is not a skit. This is a serious documentary.
Manicure ne pedicure, flip-flop ne nyatera same banana. Right. You are going to record exactly sezvakanyorwa papepa. Anditi? Don't leave anything out, especially pekuti award-winning and patriotic. Deal?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Iwe beyond.
We are for my bail hearing, Your Worship.
Koloyara koraendepi? Kasana kukudza kuti his application was rejected.
Rejected?
Pane my words asina ku underline. And there are missing commas and hyphens in the document he submitted. I sent it back to him for correction.
Missing commas, Your Honor.
There is no room for reckless behavior muno mu court, especially in my court. Anditi, huh, officer? Tora munhu udzokere naye kuboma.
No. I deserve justice. I'm also a lawyer, and I know my law. I know the law.
So what? Kunyange baba akaziva vhudzi nekugera sei. Pane paachazozvigera.
The point is, a professional barber can tell a bad haircut when he sees it. What just happened here was that Beyond Tambara came in expecting to get a mohawk from a fellow barber. Instead, what did he get? A jenga maja, sabukuvara zippy type of haircut.
Huh?
Hand of bedroom go. Famba shamari, famba. That's all. Famba.
If this can happen to a professional barber, what of us who don't know anything about haircuts? Kutodaburoshe msoro sarausina.
ngatirove tsuma pint tipinde mucourt aiwa judge vari hot rasta vakabatwa vachismugla stuff rasta vakatobatwa vari kujamka
Gande kuchikurubi, gande kuchikurubi,
judge vari kudhipisa
gande kuchikurubi,